How bright can your light glow just by pressing down? Let's try this with a DIY pressure sensor. So far, your switches have had two states, on or off. A pressure sensor works differently. Instead of fully opening or closing a circuit, it gradually controls how much electricity flows through. The black pressure sensor sheet is the key. How well it lets electricity flow depends on how hard you press on it. This property is called resistance. When you do not press the sheet, the conductive particles inside the plastic are spread apart. Electrons cannot flow well, so your light stays dim. When you press down, those particles get squished together and electrons find more paths to flow through. The harder you press, the lower the resistance, and the brighter your light shines. Grab your template and materials, let's get building. You will need one LED sticker, one launchpad battery, conductive tape, a conductive pressure sensor sheet, 2 binder clips, and a pair of scissors. Once you have everything ready, let's build our DIY pressure sensor. Stick conductive tape over the blue line and then the red line. Place the launchpad battery over the battery footprint. Clip the battery tabs in place using your 2 binder clips. Stick the LED sticker over the footprint. Then fold along the dotted line at the bottom of your page. Your LED will turn on because you've made a switch. This tells you your circuit is working correctly. Now cut the black conductive pressure sensor sheet. Place the pressure sensor sheet over the dotted rectangle so it completely covers the conductive tape inside that area. You will use a small piece of regular tape to hold the sheet in place, but make sure the tape does not cover the spots where the conductive tape needs to touch the sensor sheet, or your circuit will not connect. Press down on the heart and watch what happens. The harder you press, the brighter the light becomes. You just made a pressure sensor. When you press on the heart, something comes to life. What is it? Draw it here. Share your creation with us using #Chibitronics on social media. Want to see even more magic happen? Scan the QR code and follow along. We can't wait to see what you make.